Good afternoon mga idol. So, just a quick update. Nakapag-farm tayo and we're able to gather a significant amount of vestige of fall on top of what we have already sold earlier. And I am starting to believe na parang sayang nga yung time spent in Kransha kapag hindi ganun kabilis yung kill natin, di ba? Okay, so ipakita ko sa inyo after ng field boss kanina, world boss, nag-farm kami, nag-party up kami. So kasi na broken na yung party eh. So ito, since 11:20 kami, ako, si Boss Z, Ragnar, Neptune, ako yan. Kami lang na apat since 11:20 until 2:07. Tignan nyo yung drops. Yan lang yung drop. Diba? So, for, let's say, 11, 12, 1. Almost 3 hours. Ganyan lang yung drop. So, I'm starting to believe na parang hindi talaga siya worth it. Diba? Parang hindi siya worth it. And another point of this video is to answer a question. May nagtanong kasi if mas solid ba daw, mas makunat ba daw si Battle Shield compared sa Sword and Shield. Yes, mas makunat siya. At dito natin yan maprove. Okay, so last 4 skills ng Battle Shield, yung mga yellow, check nyo. Kahit starting from here, sa aerial provocation na territory, check nyo. Dito, may DRD ka na 1.5% from monsters. Tapos, ito pa. Meron pang additional DRD for 10 seconds lang. Ngayon, si Cover Moral, merong MP regeneration and meron siyang 40 na defense power. Kung ito naman yung piliin mo, HP recovery, but ito yung pinipili ko. Here, shield defense damage 24 with shield defense 40 and DRD of 10 for 60 seconds. Diba? Wait. Kasi may inabangan ako ng boss. Vera. Sorry kasi may inaabangan ako ng boss. Let's continue. So, dito na tayo, diba, sa Shield Awakening. Now, for the Circle of Blessing, again, meron ka na namang 16 na defense power. And, ito na naman yung bigay niya. DRD 7.5, defense 100, and 10 every, that will last for 7 seconds. Kahit yan lang yung tignan mo, diba? The only reason na hindi ako nag BS kasi nga yung buff na yon ay hindi namin may enjoy ng clan ko. And also hindi siya ganun ka fast kill, diba? Hindi siya fast kill. Although marami siyang area of effect. Yun lang. I hope I answered your question, and as of now, as of 2:28 in the afternoon, February 6, I'm starting to believe na hindi worth it mag-run siya kung hindi ka fast kill. Alright? Good afternoon. Keep grinding.